Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to show you another must-try AI tool in a Canva called Warbrush. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment and hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So, as I mentioned, the application called Warbrush. Here's an image. I just insert it to the Canva, increasing the size a bit, and go into the apps section, just typing warp. It's already Warbrush. Here is the application. It's absolutely free without any limitations. When I opening it, my image is already selected, so all three tools are active. We have this warp, grow, and shrink function. So we can warp any part of the image, grow it, or shrink it. When I click on the warp, you can see we can resize the brush. As you can see, the circle in the Canva. And we can also increase or decrease the strength. So now I increase to 100. And this tool, we can warp any portion of the image, as you can see. The grow, we can I can even increasing it. We can grow any part of the image, so we creating this bit more fatter girl. Of course, all the other parts will be also transforming, so that's not that easy to use. Maybe if I just decrease the size of the brush and do it smaller and smaller portions, it will be more realistic. But now this is just for a demo. And in the shrink, actually same, just clicking the left button, and I can shrink the portion which is inside the circle. And the most important thing, if I just click on the second any other page and going back, as you can see, nothing happened. And basically this is how the application starts. So all these three tools are inactive and mention select an image to transform. So I just click on the image, and now grow, just changing the brush size a bit, decreasing, increasing the image, zooming the image. Increasing the size a bit, like this. I made a mistake here with the start again with the grow. So like this. Start to grow it from the center. Like this. And important thing, we have to click on the save to save the image, but now they said cannot upload it. So I just refresh the page. If you have this error message, I go into the apps again and just realized it. Might be too many people use it at the same time. So to grow again back to like 100 something, increasing like this. Like this, okay, and save. Now it's saved. So if the application cannot save your image, just refresh the page and try to do it again, and now you can see this one is saved and already uploaded to my upload section. And I wanted to show you something funny, like how to create this kind of effects. Going back to the apps, I just duplicated this page, removing the background and just crop the image. But of course, if I try to use this like Rob, I cannot see the image. That's nice. It's time to time happening with the application, this thing again. Yeah, it's working. So I cannot move anything down than a frame of the original image. So what I have to do, this is the page number 5. I have to save it. I mean, downloaded it. Unselect number 5. Done. With a transparent background, download. Already open a new page. Wait until this image will be downloaded and just uploading to the empty page. Maybe it's increasing a bit like this. Selecting the image, warp, and now I can play with this effect, just increasing the strength, yes, and just decreasing the size to have this dripping effects. Like this. Here again, maybe we can play with more like with the frames or edges. Just save it quickly. Okay, now it was working. It's working now nicely. So just as you can see, it's really nicely made this funny effect with this poor girl, starting originally with this image. As you can see, just remove the background and just crop the image and download it with a transparent background. Upload it here and just transform the part what I want. And for the text, as you can see, mentioning select an image to transform, but this is a text, so I cannot do anything. But if I download this page number 7 and upload again, it's already an image, as you can see, and now I can play with the text also, like this. Also with the T, and even click the grow, I can grow the portion what we want. Also with the shrink, like shrinking the C. Also like this O, I just let you shrink the O a bit. And just decreasing the size. No, that's and here just increasing a bit like this. Also this part of the T. So we can play a lot with this text also. Click on save. Now it's already saved like this. As you can see, has successfully uploaded to the media, to the upload section, upload gallery. So I created this kind of text effect with this Warp Brush tool. So this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you enjoyed it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the comment section to help me to beat the algorithm. And also, if you have any question about Canva or any other AI tools, do not hesitate to ask. I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also visit my Facebook page where you can find a lot of Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from other Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text to image generation prompts for different kind of applications. So if you're also interested on that area, please feel free to check my Facebook page also. But now this tutorial is really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.